Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up BonChat customer support for LSSC scooter rentals in 2025. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for bonchat.app/download. Once you are here on this page, you need to choose your device like your Android device, iOS, Google Play Store, or macOS, Windows. So you need to install the application and sign in into it using your LSSC support credentials. Now inside this particular BonChat, you need to go to the settings, then go to integrations and then set LSSC. You need to enter the API key from the LSSC's dashboard, and this links all the riders data and scooters inventories directly into BonChat. Now, in order to find this API key, you need to come on lightsha.com and then log in into your account. Now, directly you won't be able to find this option, so you need to contact to the customer support team in this regard. For that, tap on this My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you can click on the headphone icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can basically contact to the LSSC customer support team. So after getting the API key, you need to basically come in your BonChat and enter the API key, and you will be able to create the channels here just like so, like scooter rentals, payment issues, and technical help. So you can use your mouse in order to import the FAQ templates, and you can also train your support team here with the help of this application. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.